Hi students, look at this problem. The angles of depression of the top and the bottom of a 7-meter tall building from the top of a tower are 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tower. So, see the question once. Here I am taking one building and tower, okay, AB and CD. Okay, this is the building and this is tower. Okay, so see the question there. The angles of depression of the top and the bottom of a 7-meter tall building. Height of the building is 7 meters here. This is given. Height of the building is 7 meters. From the top of a tower. So, one person is observing from the top of the tower, observing the top of the building and bottom of the building. Means depressions, no? In the case of depression, I told you one horizontal line should be there, right? So, what are the depressions here? Top, from the top of a tower are top and the bottom. First top is seeing, so 45 degrees. This is nothing but this angle 45. Okay. I'll just write with another color. So this is 45 means this also 45. Okay. Now down one. Foot of that building is with 60 degrees. That means this one fully 60 degrees. It's very, very important, right? This is BE. If this is 7, then this is also 7. Height of the tower I am going to find, let it be h meters. Total h and this is 7, then this will be h minus 7. Right? So these two distances are equal as I told you from the figure. So we'll do the solution now. See, this is the tower and this is the building. From the top of a tower, observing the top and bottom of the building with the depressions. In the case of depression, I told you there should be one horizontal line. So, with respect to horizontal line only, we will write the depressions there. So, solution. First, AB equal to height of the building. Height of the building is equal to how much? 7 meters. CD equal to height of the tower. Let it be h meters. Say, so AB equal to EC. AB equal to EC equal to 7 meters and DE length h minus 7 meters. Let dx ray, this is very important, let dx ray be the horizontal line. Horizontal line. This line is very, very important. With respect to horizontal line only, we will write the depressions. How? XDB, angle XDB from the figure, angle XDB equal to 45 and angle XDA 60, XDA equal to 60. If this is 45, then this is also 45 because they make alternate interior angles. So DBE also, angle DBE is equal to 45 and DAC, angle DAC equal to 60 degrees. Now you have two right triangles here. What are the right triangles? DEB one right triangle and DCA another right triangle. Right? In right triangle DEB, take tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to, what is tan 45? Opposite to 45 by adjacent. So DE by BE. DE by BE. For 45, what is the opposite side? DE. Adjacent side is BE. Right? DE by BE. Tan 45 how much? 1. DE length h minus 7 upon BE. So since tan 45 degrees value 1. So if you take cross multiplication, BE is equal to what? H minus 7, equation 1. So another right triangle is DCA. In right triangle DCA, take tan 60. Tan 60 degrees equal to opposite to 60 by adjacent to 60. So DC upon AC. Tan 60 degrees value root 3. DC means H by AC. Since tan 60 degrees value root 3. Clear? So from here AC equal to H by root 3. So equation 2. From 1 and 2 we get BE equal to AC. I told you in the diagram, BE equal to AC, right? I'll make them equal here. I'll just erase the question. See there. So H minus 7 equal to what will you get? H by root 3. So bring this side, H minus H by root 3 is equal to 7. Take H common, 1 minus 1 by root 3 equal to 7. So H into LCM, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 is equal to 7. Right? That implies H equal to 7 root 3 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Take the rationalizing factor. RF of root 3 minus 1 is root 3 plus 1. Right? So H equal to 7 root 3 makes 3 plus root 3 upon 3 minus 1. How much? 2. A plus B into A minus B, right? 7 into root 3 value, what did I tell you? Root 3 value 1.732. You remember? So 1.732 means here 4.732 you will get by 2. Cut with 2. 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 3s, 2 6, 2 6. So if you multiply with 7, you will get 16.59. Or multiply here, 2.3667 sir, 42. We got 16.56. Enough. So therefore what is H here? Therefore the height of tower. Therefore the height of tower is 16.56 meters. That is the end of solution. Is that clear? Let us see the next question. From the top of a second problem. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower, the top of a cable tower is 60 degrees, and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Okay? Look at the question. Same model but small change. Before we are given that angle of depression, now angle of elevation. From the top of a 7-meter high building, I am taking one building here. AB is the building. Okay. And one cable tower I am taking here. So CD is the tower, cable tower. So this height of this building is 7 meters as before. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degrees. So this elevation is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. And the angle of depression of its foot. So from the same point, depression. This is how much? 45. So this you join it. So this will be 90. Here it is 90. This is 90. Let me take E. Okay. So then if this is 7, then this is also 7 meters. Total height of the cable tower, let it be H meters. We have to calculate total H, and this is 7. Then this will be H minus 7. Same model. But before problem is the elevation, and this is, before one is depression and this is elevation. These two are same. Right? So let us see the solution here. Did you understand the diagram here? From the top of a building, observing the top of the tower and the foot of the tower. This is the depression. So here already it is there, horizontal line. You need not take separately. Okay. So AB equal to, what is AB here? Height of the building. Height of the building equal to 7 meters. CD equal to height of cable tower, H meters, same. Okay. So AB equal to EC equal to H7. AB equal to EC, 7 meters, and DE will be H minus 7 meters. Okay. Now from the figure, what are the elevations here? EBD, angle EBD 60 degrees, This is elevation and this is depression. So EBC, angle EBC is 45 degrees. If this is 45, and automatically this also will be 45. Both are alternate interior angles, right? So alternate, either this right triangle we can take or this also we can take. Any one we can take, no problem. So this is depression. This is angle of depression. Okay? Now in right triangle DEB, take tan 60 equal to opposite to 60 DE by adjacent to 60 BE. So tan 60 value root 3 equal to DE h minus 7 upon BE. Okay, tan 60 degrees value how much? Root 3. Tan theta means opposite to theta by adjacent to theta. So BE is equal to h minus 7 upon root 3, equation 1. Another right triangle BAC we will take. Any one you can take, no problem. In right triangle BAC, take tan 45 equal to AB upon AC. Tan 45 degrees value 1 equal to AB 7 upon AC. Since tan 45 degrees value 1. So from here AC equal to how much? 7. Equation 2. From 1 and 2 we get BE equal to AC. BE value h minus 7 upon root 3 equal to AC value 7. That implies h equal to 7 root 3 minus 7 will be plus 7. So h equal to take 7 common, root 3 plus 1. Root 3 value 1.732 plus 1, 2.732. So 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21 plus 1, 22, 7 7s are 49 plus 2, 51, 7 2s are 14 plus 5, 19. 19.12, right. So 19.12 meter. Therefore, the height of cable tower is 19.12 meters. Hope it is clear. We will see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.